Hi, I'm Dave Scadden. You know, my new Assault XX offers the ultimate combination of lightweight portability, but most of all, one-person and two-person performance in a boat weighing in under 40 pounds. One of the key ingredients to this phenomenal boat is its high-tech EVA injected foam seat system. Here's a rundown of how we attach them. We'll start with the front cargo box. Make sure that the logo is facing forward, then start at the rear of the box and attach the Fastex buckles on the bottom of the box directly to the straps provided on the seat bed of the boat. Now attach the lower metal buckles to the webbing strap loops that are sewn directly into the side of the box on each side. Once the lid is clicked into place, bring the long straps from underneath and adjust the Fastex buckles out as far as possible on the straps so they will reach the buckles on the bottom of the seat. Then click them together and secure the seat to the top of the box. Now move to the front of the boat and secure the box with the bottom straps. Then secure the seat by attaching the buckles directly to the seat. The top metal buckles are then brought forward and the buckles attached directly to the D-rings on the front of the boat. The seat back can then be held in the upright position by tightening the rear straps just enough to hold the seat back erect. The seat back can then be fine-tuned by adjusting the forward straps. You can also tighten the seat back down by adjusting the forward straps, which works well while traveling. The same basic procedure applies to the rear seat. Attach the seat to the seat bed straps, then attach the top metal buckles to the front side D-rings and the rear metal buckles to the rear side D-rings. Once again, please remember that the rear straps are to be used strictly to keep the seat back in the upright position, and the front straps are used to adjust the seat back for fore and aft positioning. Pulling down hard on the rear straps will cause damage to the seat and void the seat's warranty. I loop half hitches in the rear straps to ensure that I don't grab the wrong straps by mistake, thus causing damage to my seat. The cargo box can also be secured to the rear of the boat by attaching the forward cam straps to the rear D-rings on either side directly in back of your seat. This gives you easy access to your gear when you have your boat set up for one-person use. This has been Dave Scadden wishing you great float trips and big fish.